So in the same hydration of alkynes, now let us discuss a reaction in which ketones can be prepared. So for the preparation of ketones, let us consider an example of what? Propine. So let us take propine as an example. So when this respective propine is subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of mercuric sulfate and dilute sulfuric acid, by maintaining a temperature of 65 degree Celsius. So water molecule ionizes to form H plus as well as OH minus. So here the negative ion OH minus will attack the carbon having less number of hydrogens according to Markovnikov's rule, so that this OH will bind to this carbon. So carbon becomes pentavalent, migration of electron takes place on this carbon, carbon becomes negatively charged and this negative carbon takes away H plus, so which can be written as CH3C single bond OH and double bond CH2. So this particular product which is obtained, so it undergoes rearrangement. So when it undergoes rearrangement, we are going to get ketone. So now a question comes, how the rearrangement takes place. So this hydrogen gets eliminated as a proton, so that oxygen becomes negatively charged. Migration of electron takes place between carbon and oxygen, so that this carbon will become pentavalent, and shifting up of pi electrons takes place on carbon. Carbon becomes negative, negatively charged carbon will accept the proton, such that here the product can be represented as what? Ketone, that is CH3 C double bond O CH3, which is also called as dimethyl ketone, or I can also call it as 2-propanone. So by this method, that is hydration of alkynes, we can prepare both aldehydes as well as ketones. The next method for the preparation of aldehydes and ketones can be studied from acid chlorides or acyl chlorides. So by the heading acid chlorides and acyl chlorides, the reaction is called as what? Rosenmund's reduction. So it is one of the named reaction that has been asked many times in our annual paper. So when it comes to Rosenmund's reduction, we can explain that when an acid chloride, that is RCOCl, so when an acid chloride is subjected to reduction, so reduction means adding up of hydrogen in the presence of boiling xylene. So boiling xylene will be the solvent, and the reaction takes place in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate. So in the presence of boiling xylene, if acid chloride or acyl chloride is added with hydrogen in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate, aldehyde will be the major product. So now a question arises, how this undergoes ionization? It ionizes as RCO plus and Cl minus, and this hydrogen undergoes heterolytic fission to form H plus as well as H minus, so that this H plus will combine with Cl minus to form HCl as an intermediate, along with the formation of RC double bond O single bond H. So this is the method by which an aldehyde can be obtained. So if I write a particular reaction for this, that is CH3COCl, which is called as acetyl chloride. So when this acetyl chloride is subjected to reduction in the presence of palladium and barium sulfate and boiling xylene as an organic solvent, here we are going to get CH3 C double bond O single bond H, which is acetaldehyde along with HCl. So this particular named reaction is called as Rosenmund's reduction. So by using Rosenmund's reduction, we can prepare aldehyde as the major product. But ketones cannot be prepared by using Rosenmund's reduction. These ketones can be prepared by using dialkyl cadmium as one of the major reactant along with acid chlorides. Now let us discuss how this dialkyl cadmium along with acid chloride yields ketone as the major product. So here I can tell that ketones can be prepared. Ketones can be prepared by the action of dialkyl cadmium on acid chlorides. So now a question arises, how this dialkyl cadmium now the question arises, how this dialkyl cadmium is prepared by using how this dialkyl cadmium is prepared and how this dialkyl cadmium reacts with acid chloride. So this will be the major question now. So dialkyl cadmium can be prepared when an Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, is made to react with cadmium chloride. So when Grignard reagent reacts with cadmium chloride, we know that Grignard reagent ionizes as R minus and MgX plus. So this cadmium chloride ionizes as Cd plus 2 as well as Cl with minus 2. So that R minus will combine with cadmium. So since its charge is plus 2, this is minus 1, this will be 2 moles of Grignard reagent that will give rise to dialkyl cadmium, that is R2Cd, along with the formation of magnesium halides. So that here I can call it as magnesium chlorohalide, which will be how many times? That will be 2 times. So here, after knowing this method of preparation of dialkyl cadmium, so this dialkyl cadmium which is obtained reacts with acid chloride, so that I can write it as dialkyl cadmium R2Cd upon reaction with acid chloride, that is RCOCl. We know that RCOCl ionizes as RCO plus and Cl minus. So since cadmium is a metal, it ionizes as plus 2 and this alkyl group will have minus 2 charge because one alkyl will be minus 1. So that this alkyl will combine with RCO plus. I can write it as RC double bond OR. How many times? 2 times. So now I'll balance the equation as 2 times of RCOCl, that will give rise to ketone, along with what is left out? Cadmium is left, along with chloride ion is left. I can write it as what? CdCl2, that is cadmium chloride. So when I write a particular reaction for this, so particular reaction can be written as CH3COCl, that is acetyl chloride. So when this acetyl chloride is made to react with dialkyl cadmium, means I take it as CH3 twice Cd, which is nothing but dimethyl cadmium. So this ionizes as CH3CO plus and Cl minus, and this ionizes as CH3 minus 2 as well as Cd plus 2. So that if I take this as 2 moles, I can write it as CH3COCH3, so which will be of 2 moles along with the formation of cadmium chloride. So this is the method by which ketones can be prepared when dialkyl cadmium is made to react with acid chloride, that will give rise to ketone as the major product. So all these are the different methods by which an aldehyde as well as ketone can be prepared.